All right, welcome back to my channel. Have been going over this copper cell to remove the silver plate from this bus bar, and this week this stuff has been back out of that for a second. There you go. Didn't plan that one too well. That's kind of live action. So what is happening here is the copper sulphate, the sulfuric acid, is attacking and deplating the silver. The copper has been deposited onto the cathode, and the slimes fall into the bottom of the cell. So I will collect those after we finish running this. We're almost done, man. So we've got that little bit to run, and then I will come back. I'll put the bars back on. We'll start this up, but we're going to be done by this tonight. And then like I said, I'll work on recovering those slimes there, and then we'll start processing. So that's it. That copper sulfuric acid stripping cell, or copper sulfuric cell, to remove the silver from that and deposit the copper on the cathode. So that's it for right now. I'm going to stop and then put the bars on. I want to show you how that looks. So the copper is left, and the silver falls out, and a little bit of copper does go onto that cathode, but that is that's turning out really nice, man. See, there's a little bit on there. I'll filter that out, but we're going to let that dry, and we're going to start this up. We're going to do a before and after. All right, so all right. All right, well, I'll come back to that in about 20-30 minutes and check it out. All right, we're going to take a look at this. Currently I'm running almost 1 volt, 3.8 amps, and that comes out to about 3.6 watts. Now I know that's a little high on the current, but man, it moves through this stuff so fast. Let's just take a peek. All right, so that's been in there for 27 minutes. I'm going to rinse it off, and then we'll examine it, okay? So I just have to set this down and come back. It's funny, it smells like mothballs to me. I'm not sure what the chemical reaction is or what the makeup of mothballs are. I feel like I have to look that up. I don't remember it anymore, but I swear it smells like mothballs. All right, so let's take a look at that. How's that look? Man, I think that's pretty good. Now I can take that to the scrapyard and get number 2 prices. I can use this for cementing out stuff, put it in my stock pot to recover stuff. I got a ton of copper now. I don't have to worry about cutting up pipe anymore. I've got plenty of supply. So anyway, we're going to put some more pieces in there, and then we're going to call it a day, man. We're almost done with this. So we're starting it back up. I have moved it a little farther away from the cell, but let's see what happens when we move it up. That actually went down. How about that? Added a few more pieces. Currently it's at 0.38 volts, 3.8 amps, 1.4 watts. And we'll come back in about 30 minutes and check on it. But I'm looking forward to winding this down. We do have some slimes. It's a little silver, a little copper in there. And I don't know if you guys can, let's see if you can see that. Right there is about 1/4 of an inch, maybe more, of 5/16 maybe, of slimes. Man, we're going to process that and see what we have from this.